Tape the loose ends on the outside and also put a few pieces of tape on the inside to make sure the straws stay attached to the paper. In the Mishkan, the entrance to the courtyard was a beautiful curtain-like screen woven with beautiful colors. You can imagine our little entranceway looked just like that, or you can even color the entranceway with some markers if you'd like. Use the end of one of the sticks to etch details into the Kodesh and Kodesh HaKodashim structure. Then do the same for the Mizbeach. Yay, your mini Mishkan is ready! If you've got some little menchies, they can be the Kohanim that work in the Mishkan. Have fun, and we'll see you next week.